So what we're looking at now is the steel erection. The columns and beams are 95% complete. The joists are about 80% complete. By the end of the day, we'll have everything done, which will be the 15th. What that allows us to do is start with the angle iron and welding all of the other miscellaneous pieces that create the diaphragm for the building. With that, we're trying to pour our concrete next week. As you can see, we've got 3 guys with the welding crew. We've got a couple of more showing up later today, and what they're doing is making sure that the building, as they connect it, gets put together properly. By getting all of our columns and beams in plumb and level, it allows things to happen a whole lot easier for the rest of the material. As you can see as we're walking up, they've only got about 10-12 pieces left to erect, and then they'll have the steel erection done. By the markings, you see everything has a piece mark. Everything goes to, like that 2C8 is a column that sits right in that depression in the concrete slab right there. So you can see that that chunk of steel there, we've gone through and shot all of the elevations. And what that does is allow all of our steel to go in plumb. We'll keep walking through. And that circle that you see is a floor box for the electrical. This is the copy room that we're in right now. So we'll be walking out. And then this is the warehouse. So you can see we're facing north. Those are the 4 windows that provide daylight. The opening in the corner over there is to allow fresh air to come in. It's part of our mechanical system. And then you're looking at the east warehouse window. That window there allows the warehouse guys to see when trucks are coming in and out. Our 2 garage doors here. And you see a man door that comes out that way. And we're walking towards what's going to be the break room or lounge. As you can see, that has 2 windows in it and a door out to the patio. Up above that opening is for the mechanical system. Again, so we'll walk out. You see, now we're back in the yard. And I'm walking around the east side. As you can see, all the campers. And then you can see we've poured the retaining wall. What that does is allow us to have a nice gradual slope away from the building instead of kind of having too much of a slope. It makes it easier for truck access, makes it easier for everybody to drive through and around. And now you can see that the steel erector is setting one of their beams. What this does is create the X bracing, which provides the diaphragm for the building. He's got it held right now. He's waiting for a couple of pieces of equipment or a couple of pieces of material to come in so that he can finish that connection. The remesh that you see here on the ground is for the 2nd floor deck, the concrete deck that we want to pour. And the water and the moisture that you see here is from our snowstorms that happened a few weeks ago. It's still melting. These are, well, they look like dirt. These are actually piles of snow. So you've kind of been around the horn. Hope this provides a glimpse of what we're up to out here.